Have you ever laughed a little too hard and had to run to the bathroom? Or worse, had a little accident right then and there and had to pretend everything was fine? Yeah, I've been there. And you know what? It wasn't just because of age. It was because of an imbalance happening in my body, one that no one ever really explained to me. After having my 2 kids and hitting menopause, I started to notice my body was changing. At first, it was just once in a while. A strong sneeze, a quick jog, an unexpected laugh. And boom, there it was. The leak. I felt embarrassed. I avoided wearing light-colored clothes, avoided going out for too long without knowing where the nearest bathroom was. I felt older than I really was. And the most frustrating part? I thought it was normal. I tried everything. Teas, creams, those pelvic floor exercises, which do help, but on their own, they weren't enough. It was like trying to fix a leaky pipe with duct tape. Then one day, I was chatting with a friend who knows a lot about integrative health, and she said, look, the problem might not be just your bladder. It could be your microbiome. Microbiome? I didn't even know we had one in the bladder and vagina. But we do. It's a group of good bacteria that helps protect the urinary system. That's when she recommended Femipro to me. It's a natural supplement made especially for women dealing with mild urinary incontinence, hormonal imbalances, and intimate discomfort. Each capsule is packed with a powerful blend of proven natural ingredients. Cranberry helps prevent bad bacteria from sticking to the bladder walls. Probiotics balance the good bacteria in the urinary and vaginal tract. Mimosa pudica and bearberry help cleanse and protect the urinary system. Berberine regulates bladder contractions and relaxes the muscles that cause leaks. I thought it doesn't hurt to try. And it was the best decision I made. Within a few weeks, the leaks started to fade. I no longer had that constant fear or that feeling of being out of control with my own body. On top of that, my digestion improved, I felt less bloated, and even my energy changed. Because Femipro doesn't just work on your bladder, it supports your whole body. And the best part? The kit I ordered came with 3 amazing digital bonuses. The first one helped me reconnect with my husband in the bedroom. The second taught me how to reduce gut inflammation with simple food swaps. And the third is a 21-day plan that helped me fit better into my clothes again. So yeah, I bought it for my bladder, but I ended up getting so much more out of it. If you related to anything I said, if you're tired of feeling insecure, uncomfortable, or limited, give your body the chance to work the way it's meant to. Just click the link below, pick your discounted kit, and claim your free bonuses while they're still available. Oh, and one more thing. Femipro comes with a 60-day guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, they'll give you 100% of your money back, so there's 0 risk. I took the chance, and it was the best decision I made for myself. Now I laugh out loud, run, play with my kids, without fear, without shame. I feel like me again. You deserve that too.